Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Melissa if you haven't been here before. Today what we're going to do is we're going to be playing with the Profusion Fuchsia palette. And that's what it looks like. And we're going to see what we think about it. I know we used the citrine yesterday, but just kind of see how these shades blend and everything, and then see what kind of look we can get. If that's something you want to see, then just keep watching. Alright, I'm going to take my glasses off. I already got my hair clipped up, and I already did my brows using the Milani, what is this, Precision Brow in 140 Medium Brown. So I use that, and I also I was playing around with them a little bit today. Normally I don't use a brow gel or anything, but I use the e.l.f. Brow Wow and the Believe Beauty Eyebrow Styling Gel. So I use those two as well. Alright, so I don't know if I said this yet or not, but I'm going to use the Profusion eyeshadow brushes again. I really enjoyed using those yesterday, so I'm going to go into Crush right here, and I'm going to take that on a pointed crease eyeshadow brush, the ES3. And that's what it looks like. And I'm just taking that in my crease for my transition shade. Almost forgot my Milani eye primer. What was I thinking? And again, I'm using the Milani eye primer so that I'm using the same eye primer as I usually do. Alright, I'm going to take this Vamp shade here in the corner. It's kind of got a little bit of glitters in it, but we're going to use it on my outside corner. And I'm using the Firm Blending Eyeshadow Brush, the ES2. Just kind of got flat side to it, poofy but flat. Alright, I'm taking the flat shader eyeshadow brush, the ES5. Looks like this. And I'm taking Ravishing right here. And I'm going to put that on the other half of my lid. I'm going to take a cotton round and some micellar water and just clean up all my edges and any fallout I might have gotten. I'm taking the Hard Candy Sheer Envy Hydrating Primer. And I'm going to put that all over my face. I'm putting on the Misha Perfect Cover BB Cream in number 21. And I'm going to dot that all over my face real quick. And I'm taking my BK Beauty foundation brush, 101 brush, and going to blend that out. Taking the L'Oreal Age Perfect Radiant Concealer in, what shade am I? 200 Ivory. I'm going to put that all on my under eyes. Again, I do one dot here and a swipe here. One dot and a swipe. And I'm taking my concealer brush to blend that out. Taking the number 7 Lift and Illuminate powder in light, and I'm going to put that on my under eyes. I'm taking my mini Hourglass Ambient Lighting Bronzer and Diffused Light Bronze. And I'm going to use that to warm up my face. Now I'm going underneath the chin and down my neck. I'm taking the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush and Diffused Heat. That's what outside looks like. And the inside. Real pretty pink color. Going over the nose so I can look sunburnt and sun-kissed. And I'm taking the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Highlighting Palette. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to take this one, and I'm going to take them together and put them on my cheeks. Going down the nose. Cupid's bow. And a little bit on the chin. Alright, I'm going to take the Vamp shade right here again, and I'm going to put it on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this Ravishing shade again, and I'm going to put that on my inner corner. I'm going to throw on some Lash Princess mascara. I'm taking the Revlon Super Lustrous Shine Nude Illuminator shade. It looks like that. And I'm going to put that on my lips real quick. Alright, I'm taking the Revlon Photo Ready Prep Set Refresh Mist. And I'm going to spray my face real quick. Smells really good, like cucumbers. Alright, well this is the final look using the Profusion Fuchsia palette. And I think that turned out with something really cute and wearable. I wasn't really in the mood to delve into some of these hot pink shades. It takes me getting in the mood to really go that wild, but I think that it turned out really good. I think that the shades blended out well. I think that the shimmer blended out well. I really enjoyed using the palette, so I think that if you're in Walmart or online looking at Profusion, I think you should definitely pick up this one and the Citrine. I think that they're really great palettes. I'm thinking about trying the Emeralds and the Bear, doing a video on them, but I still haven't decided yet. It really just depends on like how the videos lay out that I've got scheduled and things like that, so that I've decided that I want to do. So we'll just see how it goes. I also wanted to remind you guys of the giveaway that I've got going on. Share the video and try to get as many people looking at it so that we can hit 25 subscribers. I was at 12, but for some reason now I'm at 11, so somebody unsubscribed to me, which is really sad, but that's alright. I know my Sigma video did really good, so... Oh, and also I really enjoyed using the brushes again. I think that they're really great brushes. If you're in the market for some brushes, I would definitely recommend either these or the Alter Egos, and you not want to spend a ton of money. I really think that these and the Alter Egos are great brushes. I haven't had any problems and they've worked out really great. I love the way the handles feel, like the matte black handles. They just feel real smooth, and they kind of curve and then flare out at the end, so it's real easy to maneuver. So I'm really enjoying using the brushes. So I think that's going to be all for me. If you like the video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe if you haven't already. I'd love for you to become a part of our family here. Also, ring the bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload my amazing content. And I guess that's going to be all for me today, and I'll talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all.